Java for Selenium. You know, for Selenium, entire Java is not required. Java JSE. JSE stands for
Standard edition.
Java Standard Edition. That is official term. Mass term or public term is for Java, but they never used that vendor, previous vendor, Sun Microsystems, current vendor, Oracle Corporation. They never used the term core Java, that is public term. Official term is Java Standard Edition. Say in this Java Standard Edition or core Java, now list out Sandhya, what we discussed. First, we focused on Java environment setup. Java environment setup. See, download and install Java. See, it is not a Java concept. It is a prerequisite for writing and executing Java programs. In this Java environment setup, what we discussed, what we practical concepts also there. Download and install Java, set Java environment variable path. Next, download and install Eclipse IDE, then start writing Java programs. First one, this is this one. The introduction to Java, applications of Java, they are theory concepts. They are just understanding. Next, Java basic syntax. It is important for writing Java programs, Sandhya. Java basic syntax we discussed now.
Yes, sir.
Say Java is a case sensitive language. First letter of Java class name should start with uppercase. Java method name should start with lowercase. Next, Java code blocks should enclosed with curly braces. Every Java statement should end with semicolon. Next, for executing, we use Java. We use main method for executing Java programs, which is mandatory for every Java programs. Java program execution starts from main method. Java supports explicit declaration of variables and data types, etc. Next, after that, we need to focus on, we already discussed it, Java keywords and identifiers. Java keywords and identifiers, Lata. Suppose Java primitive data types are keywords. Public access modifiers are keywords. Non-access modifiers are keywords. Control flow statements are keywords. If, else, for, do, while, all are keywords. Next, try catch block. Try is keyword. Catch is keyword. New is keyword. Import is keyword. Package is keyword. Okay. Java keywords. Identifiers. Suppose variable is identifier. Class is identifier. Class name identifier. Object is identifier. Method is identifier. Okay. Next we discussed, see, writing comments. See, writing comments is not a rule in computer programming. It is best practice. If you don't write meaningful comments in your programs, then no issue, you can execute your programs. If you write meaningful comments, then your program is readable. It is a best practice, not a rule. Next, we discussed data types of Java. Data types. It is important for our Selenium testing. Durga. Why? We handle different types of data. We may handle different types of data in our test cases. Next, variables. Variables, data types are generally combined. Variable is container, storage. Data type is specification. See, we store or hold different types of data in our test cases. Next, operators. See, we may use arithmetic, comparison, and logical operations in our test cases. Next, we discussed control flow. Control flow. In this control flow, we discussed three types of control flow or flow control statements. Lata, what are the three types?
If, for,
Decision making. Decision
else.
making. It is one subcategory. If is one type statement. If, which. Here we discussed if, switch. Next, else is not main block. Else is alternate block. If is main block, you can use if block independent separately, but you can't use else block separately. Switch independent block. Next, loops. Loops. We have 4 loop structures in Java. Lata, 4 loop structures in Java.
Do while,
do while, and
Enhanced.
Enhanced for. Next, branching. Branching statements are not code blocks, independent statements. Sandhya, we have 3 branching statements in Java. We have 3 branching statements in Java that we discussed already. One is break, next continue, next return. Today also I used return statement. Next, Java IO we discussed, Lata. IO. In this IO, we discussed read user input, read user input. How we read user input, Lata? How we read user input in Java?
Via built via methods like
Is it your
scanner.
answer? Yes, using scanner.
Scanner class,
Yes.
Using scanner class, predefined class. We create an object in that class and we can access available methods. Next, write a program output.
To result console.
On the console, result console. Next, we discussed handling files, text files, reading and writing. Next, we discussed methods. Actually, methods also object-oriented programming. Okay, we discussed methods. Here, 2 types of methods we discussed, Lata. 2 types of methods we discussed. What are they? 2 types of methods.
Java built-in methods.
Built-in, or you can say predefined, or you can say standard library. Java, see, wherever you find this one, Java standard library methods, then don't confuse. They are built-in methods only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Java standard library methods. Next, we discussed user-defined methods. User-defined methods. Okay, na? Next, Java exception handling. Exception handling. Next, Java object-oriented programming. Java object-oriented programming. Here we discussed fundamentals, project, package, class, method, etc. Next, four principles of WOOP, object-oriented programming. JADID, four principles.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Inheritance,
polymorphism,
polymorphism,
abstraction,
Encapsulation.
abstraction. Next,
the last is encapsulation.
encapsulation. One concept is there, that is constructor, that I will explain in page object model chapter. Just a minute. I think one concept is missed. Data structures missed, I think. Java, after control flow, Java strings we discussed now. Next, Java data structures. We didn't discuss all data structures. Sets, lists also there. We discussed one static data structure, one dynamic data structure. Static data structure is array. Next, dynamic data structure. Lata, dynamic data structure.
ArrayList.
ArrayList.
ArrayList. See, this is the conclusion. Observe, Durga, I covered, I summarized the concepts now.
Yes, sir.
Anything missed? One modifiers also. See, I think you are familiar with modifiers also, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Here two types of modifiers. What are the two types of modifiers?
Access and non-access.
Good. Access and non-access. Modifiers. Okay, these are the concepts. Next, I'm going to close the today's session.